Good morning and Merry almost Christmas. It is 4 days till Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
/ Catherine's birthday.
Yay!
Big 1-8 on Monday. On Monday. Right, kid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have to be taller.
Big things come in small packages.
Small things come in big packages.
Ha 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 ha. No, it's big things come in small packages. Just ask Gran Marino.
Big surprises.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Surprise! Where did we go last night? Kentucky Fried.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Catherine's dad took us out for supper last night.
Birthday fun.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun. Tomorrow's the Christmas party. And then Monday night is Catherine's birthday party.
Yay!
Yay!
But what about church?
Oh yeah, church. Saturday.
No, church is on Sunday.
Oh yeah, that's right. My bad. That beeping noise is annoying. No idea what that is.
Shut up, beeping noise.
Anyway, we wanted to do a quick vlog this morning. It's freezing out here, but it won't be long until the van gets here.
Oh, good, it stopped.
Thank God.
Oh, finally.
Sound like somebody was backing up. Mm.
Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. We'll title this vlog Beep Beep, okay?
Okay. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Meet me.
And what else is Catherine getting this year for her birthday?
Paw Patrol.
What did we get for you last night? Ay, 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 ay.
Alpha.
Yeah, Alpha 5 from the new Power Rangers movie. So
Ay, ay,
Catherine
ay.
is getting something Power Rangers related this year
And
for
Paw
her
Patrol.
birthday.
And Paw Patrol.
Yay, Catherine.
Ay, 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 ay.
Catherine's getting something Power Rangers. And after Christmas, we're gonna look for the Pink Ranger figurine. And I told her I'd get her a White Ranger one and blue.
Also getting Paw Patrol.
Her and her Paw Patrol stuff. Eesh.
Yeesh.
Eesh.
And I'm also getting slippers and
Yeah, pink slippers.
Disney Princess toddlers.
Ugh. You're no toddler. You're a young lady.
And I'm also getting the new Paw Patrol DVDs. Yes!
All right, we gotta go. Say
Bye.
bye. See ya.